kommer det en dame. Vi
So
skal
we are
kjøre.
here in this area.
Valpsund familiecamping.
Yeah, Valpsund.
Valpsund.
Valpsund Familia Camping
Ja.
here in Denmark.
Ja.
So this camping it's near in the
Western
beach.
side of Denmark, Western Fyn.
Yeah.
Eller Western
And they have a swimming pool as well. And in the entrance where they sit their tent area.
Ja, det er
So
sånn
use that tent area.
late coming.
Yeah, even you come late, just inform the teacher, I mean the owner, then they will let you to open the door automatically. So that's the cafe, reception, boutique, and here where people eat and fellowship here in this area.
What are you doing?
So Denmark, and that's the Hitta area. It's a cottages area, and here they have a very big area. Yeah, and they have a parking area for the car as well on the other side for the guests.
No,
And this is, you see here,
I can't.
you see.